Hello everyone, my name is Suyash Suman. I am a final year electronics and telecommunication student at Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. I hope my screen is visible. Uh, Here I am going to give presentation about home automation, which is my submission project, final internship project at Immersi. Also, I would like to talk about my experience, the mentorship uh, given by the Immersi. This project is about home automation. The guide of the project is Jay Lakshi and Daniel ma'am, Emerzi. So let's go and look into the project. I hope you will like my project. So first of all, I would like to talk about Emerzi internship. The name of the internship is Emerzi IoT internship. It is a 1 month It is of a 1 month duration. Eligibility: candidates should have to attempt an exam conducted by Emerzi, which involves basic knowledge of digital electronics and some pseudocodes on C language. Once we clear the exam, we got an mail uh, of the Emerzi internship, and we get offer letter too. So next, we have to join the internship. Key features: it is an online, free, and project-based internship. You get only you will get the certificate only when you complete the project and submit. And after they will review your project and they will give you a certificate. Also, there is a mentor support available. There is a LMS forum given for each student to ask doubt to the teacher or mentors. Learning outcomes from this internship: I have learned about IoT fundamentals, sensor technology, how to integrate sensors with Arduino Uno, microcontroller, that is Arduino Uno, data acquisition, how to collect data from sensors and send it to the cloud platform, wireless communication, cloud integration. Here for cloud integration, we have used Blink IoT app and project development. Overall, the life cycle of the project development and how we can develop our project from scratch. So next, what I have learned from the internship. First day of the internship was so amazing. The mentor give us valuable advice and uh, give the understand the importance of this internship. This internship is regarding the IoT internship, and what makes it stand out from others is it it is a to-do internship. You will have to do all the activities and codes by your own. Uh, you will not get certificate uh, by spoon feeding. You have to do the programs, sensor connection, with sensor connection and all. uh, Also, teacher tells us about the importance of this internship in the kickoff program. Next we have learn about the basics of IoT, introduction of IoT, what is mean by IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. Why it is different from an embedded system. In embedded system, it is not necessary to have internet connection for the system, but in IoT, the internet connection is must. The name itself suggests that Internet of Things. That is, it is internet is the main part in IoT. Also, we have learned about the C and C++. Uh, what makes them different? Mostly, we have used C language to uh, code our Arduino Uno. Also, it is an backend for our Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a 32 pin microcontroller. Uh, we have used Arduino Uno for our home automation project, embedded programming. When we have to code and make the and make the Arduino Uno smart, we have to code the specific pin of Arduino Uno, and we have to mention what we want from the sensors. This is nothing but an embedded programming. Lastly, implementation of the project. uh, in We have integrated sensors, all sensors one at a time. Then finally, uh, we combined all the sensors and their code in one file and implemented this project. Next, project objective. The objective of the project is to design and simulate the home automation using Arduino. As it is a virtual internship, that is online internship, we have used Pixim Lab as a simulator and the Blink IoT application for the cloud integration. Here we, I think, block diagram is visible to all. Uh, this is the basic block diagram of our home automation project. In this, in center, there is an Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller we have used in our home automation project. uh, uh, CLCD. CLCD is the liquid crystal display we have used for the user interface. It is a 16 by 2, yeah, 16 by 2 character display. Temperature system, we have used LMT temperature sensor, which is inbuilt in Arduino for the temperature sensing. We sense the temperature with the help of a connect, which is connected to Arduino. Also, it has inbuilt heater and cooler controls. This data is collected by the Arduino and sent to the Blink IoT platform. Also, here I have not mentioned one thing, which is an Ethernet connection. We have used Ethernet connection to connect Arduino Uno to the Blink IoT platform. As Arduino Uno does not support Wi-Fi or does not have Wi-Fi module, we have to use Ethernet to connect it to the cloud platform. That is Blink IoT app. There are total four pins. Yes, four pins in a Blink IoT app. One is for the heater, one is for cooler, another is for inlet valve and outlet valve. I have also not. There is also a serial tank which we have connected to the Arduino Uno. This is all about the basic block diagram. Next, we will see technology stack. In our technology stack, we have used embedded C, of course, for programming of our Arduino Uno to integrate sensors and data acquisition of a sensors and send it to the cloud platform, our cloud platform, that is Blink IoT, through Arduino Uno. Sensors and elements: LDR, serial tank, temperature system, Ethernet, and LED. LDR is a light dependent resistors. We have used LDR to control the brightness of the garden lights. Serial tank to represent tank in our household. Temperature system. Temperature system is shown in a previous block diagram, which has inbuilt heater control and cooler control as well. LED, we have used LEDs to imitate the garden lights in our daily life. Software, as we have all as we have know that this project combines both hardware as well as software. So we have to use Arduino IDE for embedded programming, Blink IoT app as a cloud platform, or to control the all the spare parts connected to the Arduino Uno by remote, and Pixim Lab. Pixim Lab is a simulator for the all these things. Practical demonstration. Now we will see the actual working of our home automation project. Wait a minute, I will start the home automation. Yeah, this is a Pixim Lab. the software simulator we are using in our home automation project. Here is an Arduino Uno. This is an reset button used to reset the Arduino Uno. These are all the pins of the Arduino Uno. Here, from A0 to A5, there are total 6 pins, which are analog pins, and from D0 to D13, all these are digital pins. TX and RX are transfer I2C pins. That is, we can use it for I2C communication. Inter communication. I2C stands for intercommunication. Yeah, this is the Arduino. That's all. Now we have to take a spare parts. For this, we have to go to the modules and then spare parts. Spare parts. I have choose some spare parts. Yeah, this is our spare parts of that we have connected to the Arduino Uno. This is an LCD display which shows temperature, volume, and inflow of notification, that is inflow of. This is an LED matrix. We have only used first LED of the LED matrix. This LED matrix is controlled, or first LED is controlled by the LDR sensor. By using this level, we can increase or decrease the brightness of the LED, or resistance of, also the resistance of the LDR. This is a heater temperature system which has inbuilt heater and cooler control and temperature. And this is a Ethernet connection. The blinking of light indicates that it has connected to the cloud platform. One thing I have missed that I want to show is Atmega 328P is an IC that we have used in a inbuilt IC that Arduino Uno contains, or this is an heart of an Arduino Uno. So, and Arduino Uno supports 3.3 volt and 5 volt also. So next we will, to get the code into our Arduino Uno, we have to go to the PixSimLab, then file, load hex. Here is our program file, that is home automation blink.control iono, which is an hex file. Then we have to click on it, open. It will get loaded into an Arduino Uno. We will see this in our spare parts. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, the file is get loaded, and we have uh, seen the temperature, which is 27.34, and volume as a 3000. Let's check whether it is connected to the Blink IoT app or not. So for this, we have to open the Blink IoT in our phone. This, yeah, I wait a minute. I have to unlock my phone. Here it is a. This is all about. Oh my, minute, please. Yeah. This is an our home automation interface in the Blink IoT app. There are 4 switches: cooler switch, heater switch, inlet valve, and outlet valve. And this is a temperature watch which indicates the temperature. Now we will on heater switch. Yeah, the notification is get displayed on the LCD display, that is heater on. Temperature will rise up to 35 degrees Celsius and automatically gets off after 35 degrees. Heater gets off. Yeah, notification is displayed on LCD that heater is off. You can also look at our uh, home automation Blink IoT app, that heater is gets off. Now we can start the cooler. Same is with the cooler. As we turn off the cooler switch, the temperature is getting decreased. We will then cereal tank. This is a cereal tank which is now full. When we control this by our Blink IoT app, so first we will turn on the outlet valve. Yeah, the water is getting discharged from the tank till at 2000. Volume is equal to 2000. When volume reduces below 2000, inlet valve automatically gets on and fill the tank. So now we will turn off the outlet valve to see that water is filling. It will automatically turn off after tank is filled full. The inlet valve is get automatically closed. Also temperature is getting reduced. You can see it is on a temperature watt in a Blink IoT platform. We will turn off the cooler switch. Okay. This is the LCD display which shows all the notification or the actions that we are performing on Blink IoT app. And lastly, I would like to show the functioning of LED matrix, that is garden lights. When we decrease the resistance, the brightness of the LED gets decreased, and when we increase the resistance, brightness is also getting increased. This is the full functioning of our uh, home automation project or a simulation. So lastly, I would like to show the code that we have put in Arduino. So that for that I have to open an Arduino IDE. This is our this is our this is used for to connect Arduino to the Blink IoT platform. This is last line is an authentication token. This is a name, template name, and this is a template ID. All these are the libraries that we have required for implementation of this project. uh, you can look into this project that we have made a separate file for each component, that is ldr.cpp, ldr.h, main.h, serial tank, and all these things. And all these file are integrated to our main program, that is home automation blink control.io. It's so big, because we have made separate file for each devices. It is easier to find the error in our program. That's all about the coding part. Let's take the last look on our presentation. Project closure. The home automation system successfully integrated an Arduino Uno microcontroller with an LDR sensor, serial tank, temperature sensor, and Blink IoT app to create a comprehensive and efficient management solution. Pixim Lab was instrumental in simulating the system behavior before physical implementation. Uh, that's all about our project. Lastly, I would like to tell about my experience in an immersive internship. I am grateful that I have got this opportunity to uh, learn IoT from Immersive. There are some main advantages that I would like to highlight. Some of them are mentor support, project management, project development life cycle, to-do approach, and hands-on experience. Mentor support. In this internship, you will get all-time mentor support through the LMS. A student can ask their doubts to the mentors with the help of LMS forum. Project management. Also, I have learned the project management and approach that we have used to develop this project from scratch. Project development life cycle, how the industries develop their project from scratch, and life cycle of the project to the approach. uh, this internship do not give you certificate only by attending the lectures. You have to submit your project, and lastly you have also give a presentation on your project. Then only you will get a certificate of this internship and hands-on experience. We have used Arduino Uno and all the other sensors to make the home automation projects. That's why I have at last point. That's all about my experience. Lastly, thank you, Emerzi and the mentors. Looking for the further opportunity in Emerzi as the intern. Thank you.